everybody. Today we're visiting the historic Best Cafe and Bar. Established in 1933 and stunningly restored to its original luster, the Best Cafe and Bar have been serving up delicious food and drinks to Hot Springs National Park visitors and locals alike for decades. We're meeting with the Best Cafe manager, Fatima Alverde, and she's going to tell us what her team of top-tier chefs are cooking up today. Let's check it out.
FeastMode!
Hi, my name is Fatima Alverde. Welcome to the Best Cafe and Bar. Paying homage to the diners of the 30s, the Best Cafe is an intimate restaurant with only 30 seats in the dining room and 20 seats on our patio. We are delighted to serve our guests from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wednesday to Monday, with breakfast being served all day. Our signature dish, the Crème Brulee French Toast, currently being served with molasses butter and macerated berries, is a tried and true favorite by our guests. Some of our signature dishes include our eggs Benedict, served on a grilled English muffin, shaved country ham, poached eggs, and our house-made hollandaise sauce. Another one of our favorite includes biscuit and gravy with a house-made biscuit, served with house-made gravy and 2 poached eggs. We also include a variety of craft cocktails to accompany your brunch, including signature mimosas and house-made Bloody Marys. So the next time you're planning a trip to Hot Springs, Arkansas, we encourage you to come on down and enjoy breakfast with us. After all, what's better than the best?
FeastMode!